Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how to download solo leveling Arise in your PC. So first, I want you to copy this link, sololeveling.netmarble.com/n/PCP. Once you're inside the website, you will see this download now button. But first, I want you to go in the instructions and how you can set up this game, since it will be a great help for us after installing the installer of solo leveling. Now click the download now button and then wait for it to be downloaded. Then after downloading it, click the exe file. Now the application has finished installation. You just need to click the OK button and then it will automatically download into your device. Just a heads up, the application has a large storage accumulation, so make sure that you have enough storage before installing the solo leveling Arise. Now just click this start install. And basically, you just need to finish this installation and then that's it. That's how you can download and install solo leveling Arise in your device. And thank you for listening.